Okay, watch list for 21st October Monday, DRUG. See if it can reclaim VWAP since it's hanging around there. Was great throughout the day, even though I had multiple halts on it. So if it breaks VWAP at 51.80, and next stop we watch for potential high breakouts of $79. Next, the other charts aren't that impressive, but they are percent gainers and they are patterns that we look for. So we just see if they can make new higher day breaks. So it's PIVI, and no significant real news on it, but low float definitely has enough float volume, but it doesn't show so on the chart. So just very safe side, I'd watch for 280 290 breakouts on that. And next stock you kind of find similarity in all of them for the same. So EFSH, this one you can see, so it's right at VWAP, so watch for 590 breaks on that. And then next entry or breakout point would be at this double top of $731, and then the next at the resistance at the higher day of 10. So just set your alerts at that, and then in my personal experience I'd ignore if they don't hit those. You can just focus on other stocks that are there. LTBR, so I'd say all these are kind of 50-50ish setups because the chart's not that impressive. Nonetheless, it's still providing the patterns that we look for. This one has more float than volume on it, and I wouldn't say the most positive news, but it is a beautiful day uptrending chart. So we'd watch for higher day breaks at 795, which is also the 52-week high, as you can see on this chart over here. I think it might have a red day on Monday, given how high in this green candle is gone on the yearly. But again, let's let the market on Monday tell us what it does. Lastly, I have better hopes for this one, HEPS. It's a rather higher float stock, in the 110 millions. Volume is more than the daily 60-day average, but still not the same as the float. However, the chart pattern is really nice. Uptrended in pre-market and set a new higher day in the mornings at 405. That's a key breakout. And then this one at 471. In the meantime, it's perfectly holding over at VWAP at 355. So just watch for breaks on that for day two, week open or higher day break moves. This is more reliable than the others because it's a higher float and a much more holding at VWAP pattern. Then again, passive watches WINT. I'm still waiting for 115 higher day break, and if it doesn't hit that, just ignore it. It's less than $1 stock. TNON. Yep, so we can see if it spikes, it spikes. If not, then just ignore that. Still hanging around. So see if it wants to come back, just due to the very low float and decent volume on that. VSEE, similar idea on this as well. I'm just giving you different charts and different stock options that are up, that are percent gainers. So VWAP 256, otherwise ignore that. And then lastly, TVGN is beautifully still hanging around. A longer time frame on this, about a week or so. Yeah, so as long as it's hanging between this range, just watch for 250 breaks out on that. Okay, thank you.